National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southeastern Delaware County, Licking County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bexley, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Grahamville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Johnstown, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Utica, Hanover, Grandville South, Martin, and Beechwood Trail. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 105 and 129. I-71 in Ohio near mile marker 113. Wind advisory remains.